the difference between going to and will. So let's begin. First, let's see when we use will. Will is used to show that the future event is the result of a spontaneous decision made at the moment of speaking, okay? It's not something planned, it's something spontaneous, okay? Cuando se decide algo en el momento, que vas a hacer algo, pero lo decides en ese momento. For example, if you say, I'll talk to the teacher, you are saying that you at this moment decided to speak with the teacher. Or for example, if your friend tells you, I don't understand this topic, you can tell her, I'll help you. At this moment that you are speaking, this person, you tell her that you want to help. Okay, you decided this at this moment. Okay. Then we can also use will to make promises and offers. For example, if your friend tells you, please don't tell anyone, and you tell her, don't worry, I won't, you're using will in negative to make a promise, okay? All right, so these are the different uses of will. Spontaneous decisions made at the moment of speaking and make promises and offers, all right? Now let's see when we use be going to. Be going to is used to talk about your future plans or intentions. You have made a decision in the past about a future event, and now in the present you're talking about that decision. Cuando usas going to es porque ya decidiste qué ibas a hacer, ya tienes un plan para el futuro, o una intención, pero esto ya lo habías pensado, ya lo habías decidido. A diferencia de will, que es al momento que estás hablando, no, esto para cuando estás hablando ya lo habías decidido tú antes. For example, if you say, we are going to watch a movie tomorrow, here we're saying that we have already decided to do this activity. Okay, ya habíamos decidido hacer esta actividad. Ya lo habíamos planeado, ver la película mañana. No fue en este momento, sino que ya se había planeado. All right, we can also use going to make predictions based on present evidence. For example, if you say it's going to rain, it is because you can see that the sky is gray or that it has been raining in recent times. Cuando es una predicción, pero basado en algo del presente. Una predicción para el futuro basada en algo del presente. Por ejemplo, si ahorita ves que el cielo está nublado, una predicción para el futuro es que va a llover. It's going to rain. So these are the different uses of going to, future plan or intentions, and make predictions based on present evidence. Very good. This is everything you need to know about this topic. Now let's practice this. Please open your workbook on page 26. This will be the exercise number 12. Here you have to read this conversation between Phoebe and Emily and answer this question. What are the two women upset about? ¿Por qué están molestas? ¿Por qué están tristes? Read the lecture and answer the question. If you finish, continue with the exercise B. Here we have these questions, and you are going to answer them with the correct underlined sentence from the lecture. But you only need to write the number from each sentence, okay? For example, the first question says, which sentences make predictions about future events? And if we take a look to the lecture, we can see that in the sentence 2, there will be more pollution and more traffic. In sentence 3, it's going to affect tourism. We are making predictions about the future. So we write number 2 and number 3. Answer the rest of the questions. If you finish, move on to the exercise C. Here, you have to complete a table with checks or crosses depending on the use of will and going to. For example, we know that if we want to make a prediction, we can use going to, but we can't use will. That's why we put an X in will and a check in going to. Let's do the rest of the table all together. Can we use will to talk about future plans? No. So we put an X. And can we use going to talk about future plans? Yes. So we put a check mark. Very good. Finally, can we use will to talk about to make spontaneous offers and decisions? Yes, we can. So we put a check mark. And finally, going to can be used to make spontaneous offers and decisions? No, so we use a cross mark. Very good, students. With this, we finish for today. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next class. Goodbye.